What's up, people, and how's it going? And today we are here for another Gods of Boom gameplay. And with me is my friend Aman, aka LOL King. So let's
Hi
go.
guys.
Yeah. So let's go. Okay, I'm gonna come. Okay, I can't come from here. I'll come from here, and he's dead. So see,
Where are
yours
you?
LOL King. Yeah, I'm here. I'm
Right
here.
here.
Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy. My first elimination, and I'm gonna kill this person. This person die. Yes, he's dead. Another elimination, and he's also dead. Double elimination, and I'm also dead.
Oh, I killed myself.
You use the bombs, right?
Yeah.
That's the only way to kill yourself. Suicide.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's kill this guy.
Suicide.
Let's kill this guy. Elimination. And let's kill this guy. Let's kill this guy. Let's kill this guy. Elimination. Double
No,
elimination.
no. Oh, I'm dead.
Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Elimination.
Nice.
I'm just doing eliminations. Okay, kill this guy. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Why am I using a pistol? So bad. I would have killed him. Depressing. But I'm going to come back.
You must be low on your ammo.
Yeah, ammo. Yeah.
That's why.
So I'm gonna kill, but I need people to kill. Okay, why am okay? Kill this guy, kill this guy. Okay, assist. Kill this guy, kill this guy. I killed him.
I died.
Elimination. I'm going to use some pills. The interruption. I died there, but I also did an elimination. Some interruption, can't help it. Kill this guy, kill this guy, kill this guy, kill this guy. Killed him. Bravo. It said bravo in such a dangerous voice. Okay. Okay, I can't see anybody. Kill this guy, kill this, kill. Invincible.
Nice.
Invincible.
I'm going to kill him.
You are asking what does invincible mean, right? Invincible is like when you come, you have that yellow layer type of thing, right? So that yellow layer, nobody can like damage you. Kill this guy, kill. Okay, I'm dead.
No, I'm gonna die. I don't want to die. I killed him. Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy, kill this guy. Oh no, bomb. Now I'm really playing good, but the only thing that can kill me is the bomb and some players. But I
killed him with a pistol.
Did you buy another type of pistol? There's so many bombs around.
Yeah.
Did you buy you bought the second level wala pistol?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I'm
Not
back in the
bad.
game.
It's pretty bad.
Okay, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you also. Be ready to die. And you are dead. Double elimination. And I'm playing so good. I can't even believe it. I'm playing good. And I'm dead. Probably I'm not playing that good. You took revenge for me? Yes, hashtag revenge. For friends. Like, we can also take revenge, but yeah, hashtag revenge for friends. Okay, I'm gonna kill you. You're gonna die, but you used the health pill, so now you aren't going to die. And that was just bad.
I did it again. I died again.
You're such a pro at dying. Okay, you are.
Yeah, man. No,
oh, revenge. I took revenge.
Killed myself.
For myself. Oh, sorry for that. But I took revenge for myself. Elimination. We are winning.
They are winning?
No, we are winning. That's what I said. We are winning, not they are winning. I'm going from here. And I'm gonna kill this guy. You die. Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Okay. Yeah. The score is very difficult. I think we should hide. They can match us.
Nice.
Die.
Kill him. Oh, you are dead.
Oh.
You killed him?
Yeah, I killed him, but I'm dead. And whoa, what is that?
They lost?
Yeah, they got their kill so fast. I'm second. And you are third. Good. I want to see the amount of kills I did.
Yeah, same.
Who? I have 13 kills.
I have 14 kills.
Whoa, cool.
You have points.
Yeah, more points. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. You died more times, I think so.
Yeah, I killed myself too much.
Yes. You should not kill yourself. Whatever, that was
Like this.
good. So I'm going to cut this part because this is going to take lots of time. So, but that was really good.
Yeah.
So people, we are back and the match is going to start. It literally took like 2 minutes to load to find players.
Yeah.
But in the end, we are here, and for that, for you people, it was like only no time.
Once.
Yeah, literally, it was like only even less than a millisecond. Obviously. So I'm gonna go.
I killed him. Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna go from here, and okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for people. I'm gonna kill this lady. Oh no, that was not expected, and I'm dead. We had 13 kills in the last match. I'm really proud of me.
I'm also very proud of myself.
Yes, how many kills did I have? We have 14, right?
Yeah, I got 14.
Okay, I'm going to die. Probably not. Okay, I'm dead. I don't know what I'm doing.
No problem.
You took revenge for me? That's good.
It's great.
That's great.
I'm gonna die.
I'm going to pick up this
Oh,
gun.
I'm not dead.
I'm going to wait for the people to respawn. And no. You're going to die. Okay, I'm dead.
So the box.
I just did 1 kill. I'm going very bad in this match.
Really?
Okay.
I'm doing very good in this match. I'm loving this match.
I'm hating this match. Okay, now I'm going to go to my shotgun mode. But I don't know why my shotgun mode isn't working. I'm not able to kill. See, I'm dead.
You're dead?
Yeah, and I have done like only 1 kill.
How can you? Oh, she killed me. I was about to say, how can you come in our base and kill me? She killed me. One guy over here.
Okay, I'm gonna kill this person.
Dead.
I'm not gonna pick up your gun. I like guillotine, but I'm gonna go shotgun mode. See. Oh, good one.
Where are you?
I'm also gonna buy guillotine fast. I mean, like in some time. After I get the money.
No. Wow, we both are so concentrating in the game, we stopped talking.
Yeah, literally. Sorry for the 5 seconds of boring stuff or whatever time it was. But don't worry, we are back. And I'm playing very bad in this game. So that's why I'm going to pick up guillotine. But I'm going to die. Oh, I'm dying. Yeah, you took revenge, right?
I guess.
And I'm back in the game. I'm going to use my dead dealer. It will deal with my debts. I mean the other guy's debts. I don't know what I'm talking. Okay, kill. Yes, you are dead now. Nice. What nice? Because I'm like hardly some kills. I don't rock. Oh, I was not talking to you. I was talking to the guy who was telling me I rock. I'm talking about the robot or whatever. What will we call the guy who keeps talking to us? Gods of Boom AI? Gods of Jarvis?
We can say that he's the commander or he's...
Yeah, he's the commander.
Yeah.
Or probably he
Keeps on
is Gods of
supporting, I
Jarvis.
guess.
Either he is Gods of Jarvis or he's our commander. I'm just kidding, he's the commander. Or should we say general?
Yeah, general sounds more good.
Yeah.
He keeps on shouting in everyone's ear whenever
Yeah.
everyone kills someone.
You rock. You rock.
You rock!
Yeah, it's actually kind of irritating.
He has some throat problems.
Yeah, lots of. You're gonna die. Oh, that was revenge, but then that was her revenge also. Ancient revenge. And we are going to lose this match. Defeat! Why defeat? That was bad. And you are second, but I got very less kills, unfortunately. Let's see my kills. Only 5 kills. Oh, you have 16 kills.
60
You have 16 kills. Now I...
calls for a start.
Yeah, that calls for a party. Come to my home, but you can't because it's ro, etc. I don't even need to say the word co, etc. You know what we are talking about. Now, even if we say the word virus, there's only one virus in this world. That's corona. If we tell that, do you know about this virus? And we're like, of course, who doesn't know about corona? I'm like, no, I was not talking about that. Like, very bad situation in the world.
Very bad.
My costume, it looks like that I've used lots of papers. And
I'll
then,
tell you how it looks. You just slept on a lot of white bread
and this is what has happened to me.
Yeah.
And I have, I literally have a pan on my
I saw that.
whatever. And my helmet is a soup's, what do you call it? It's like a soup thing. It's like what do you call it? Why can't I remember the name?
Even I cannot remember this name.
Whatever it is, we make
Pot.
soup on it.
It's a pot.
Yeah, it's a pot and we make soup on it.
And it's on your head.
Yeah, I mean, seriously?
How are you even seeing from that?
What do you mean by seeing from that?
Like,
Yeah, I got it. There are, can't you see the holes? There are small holes.
yeah, they're very small.
Super small.
No. Somebody's gonna kill me.
Are you dead?
No, I am dead now.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna kill this guy. Die, and you are dead. Elimination. Okay, I know what I'm doing. I'm running, and I'm dead. Okay, so I'm coming back. Sorry for the interference, people, but I will have to edit so much. I don't know how much I will have to edit. I'll have to edit like a lot.
It's not you love to, you have to.
I like it. It's not so bad.
I've never tried it and I will never do it.
See, like first I used to literally take like 20 minutes, half an hour to edit, and sometimes we have to edit too much, even 1 hour. But now I take like hardly 5 minutes. Because it's become very easy and I'm gonna die. Who's killing me? Oh my god, I'm running. Please don't die, and I'm dead. I'm dead. So I'm gonna go. I like to jump from this roof. It's like...
Which, like the top room?
Yeah.
I will.
Okay. Oh yeah. You're here. I'll kill you. You'll die. Okay, probably. Okay, she's dead.
We both are in the same room.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grenade.
Oh no, somebody's killing. Okay, I'm dead.
No. Even I'm dead. By the same person, I guess.
Yeah. We are losing. Not from so many points, but yeah, we are losing from quite some points.
In this video, we are just losing.
Yeah, actually. No, we won the first match. No, we lost the first match. We lost the first match, right?
Yeah, we lost the first match. No, I think we won. No. We were about to win.
Yeah, we are about to
Then we
win.
lost.
Something like that. I don't know.
This bomb guy, dude.
We won one match at least, that I know.
No, we did not. In this video, no.
No, we did. We did. I think we did win one match. I'm not sure, but I think we did.
We'll see in the editing.
Yep. Well, it doesn't matter because we are going to win this one. See the score.
Yeah, we are winning.
Yeah. I just realized.
Even I just realized.
We are losing in the start, like, but now we are winning. Okay, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. And you are dead. Happy eliminations.
This guy is over here.
Where is he?
Bomb this guy.
Okay, you didn't bomb that guy. And I killed that guy.
Nice. No,
Yeah.
don't use a pistol.
Okay, where are you? Okay, critical
You
assist.
just ran our teammates.
Who?
That guy just ran between.
Okay, why are you using a pistol? Are you mad? And I killed somebody with a pistol. No, I assisted with a pistol. But that's too much for like a pistol.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Pistols do literally no damage. It's
Yeah.
just for aesthetic purposes.
Until you need to buy a good pistol. And I have no intention of wasting money on pistol.
I wasted.
First I'll buy guillotine and then I'll think about it. After I get the money, obviously. But I think I'll save for Hurricane. It's a machine gun. Do you have a machine gun? Oh, victory! Victory!
We won.
Victory! I think you're first. You'll be first, I know.
No, 1 second.
Oh, this guy's first. I'm nowhere in the list.
The bomb guy.
Let me see how many kills I have. You have 11 kills. I have 6 kills.
Oh, I predicted you had 10 kills.
No.
No. It was just for one match.
Yeah.
12 kills.
Yeah, it was like only for one match and then everything was lost. Whatever. So people, please don't I was about to say don't like to this video. Okay, what I meant is don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel Live Life King Size.